Greetings and welcome to Week 1 of Low-Key 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Joseph Kursky here with you, glad you're here. Maps rule. This week we will begin right away with mapping. You will examine some fascinating maps from Andy Woodruff. After that we will discuss what is a map, what is location intelligence, what is geographic information systems or GIS, why maps, how do we represent the Earth through maps, how can maps and mapped data be used to make decisions and make a better world, how is GIS, geographic information systems, changing. We will really dig into the essential theme of our course right here, the whys of where, the whys of where. We will end our discussion this week by examining how people are using GIS, and hopefully you will start thinking about how you might like to use it in your future and also in this course. Now, in our hands-on work this week, you will look at some maps in Arcgis Online, which is our main platform for the course. ESRI's Arcgis Online. Environmental Systems Research Institute is ESRI. Arcgis Online is a web-based geographic information systems platform. You will then look at a familiar object on the landscape through maps, Starbucks, as well as a few other businesses. Through it all, you will think about the benefits and the limitations of maps. Yes, maps have limitations as well as benefits. We will examine Earth changes such as drying up of lakes, exploding volcanoes, urbanization, and more. We will also compare cities around the world with the Urban Observatory and close the hands-on portion with a fascinating 2D and 3D mapping application where you will examine international migration over space and time. You will then take a short quiz, and that's a wrap for week number 1. Thanks, and map on.